So today we are working with triangles and angles. Now the first thing you need to know about triangles and angles is that the interior angles, the three angles inside of the triangle, always add up to 180 degrees. So if we know two of the angles, for example 105 degrees and 45 degrees, we can figure out the third one because 105 plus 45 is 150. So this angle here has to be 30 degrees because then the three of them will add up to 180. All right? Now, this angle right here, this is an exterior angle. It's an exterior angle because the angle is on the outside of the triangle. That's why it's called an exterior angle. And it's formed when one of the sides is extended, and then we take the angle going from that extended side to the side next to it. All right? And there's two ways to find that exterior angle. One of the ways is by finding the angle next to it. Because if you notice, this angle and the angle next to it form a straight line. So they're supplementary. They have to add up to 180. All right. So if this is 51 and this is 82, they add up to 133, which means this angle here has to be 47 so that these three add up to 180. And since these two are supplementary angles, these two have to add up to 180 also. So this angle here has to be 133 degrees because these two now add up to 180. All right. Now the second way I could have found this angle is there's a relationship between the exterior angle and the interior angles that are not next to it, the remote interior angles. Turns out these two angles added together will always equal that exterior angle. All right, so if these two add up to, notice 51 plus 82, 133 degrees, which is exactly the same as that exterior angle. All right, now for the last one, this one's just going to involve a variety of different angle relationships. For example, right here, we've got this angle being 87 degrees, and we're trying to find this one. But we can find this one right away because they're vertical angles, and vertical angles are equal. So there we go. That one has to be 87 degrees. Now over here, we can find this angle, which is also an interior angle of this triangle, because they form a straight line, these two. So they're supplementary, and they have to add up to 180. So this angle here has to be 54 degrees because those two add up to 180. And now we can find that missing angle C because we've got two of the three angles inside of a triangle. 87 plus 54 is 141, which means this angle here has to be 39 degrees so that the three of them add up to 180. All right? So the key to this whole thing really is the fact that the angles inside of a triangle add up to 180 because that leads to all these other different angles and angle relationships. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. Also subscribe. But with that being said, good luck on your math, and I will see you next time.